Hey there fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lunesse Goose Down Comforter. One of the biggest differentiating factors about the Lunesse comforter is what it's made with, and it's made with not just goose down, of course, but it's made with batiste cotton. And now this cotton is actually known to be 30% lighter than other comparable fabrics. So why does weight matter when it comes to comforters? Well, there's two things to think about here. When it comes to something so lightweight, like goose down, the lighter the fabric, the better of an ability the goose down will have to maintain its fluffiness or its puffiness. And I guess the correct term here is its loft. Aside from the ability to maintain the loft when the fabric is lighter in nature, the other benefit is that the comforter does not feel as heavy as one may think it would. Even though it's maybe weird to think about weight, you know, weight actually is relevant to fabric and therefore to comforters and bedding, and everything really makes a difference. Typically on the Sleep Sherpa channel, I do tend to do pillow reviews, and you know, those are so much easier to do because I can just lay the pillow down and try it out then and there. And with something like this, I don't feel that will at all suffice. You know, I once did a review of a weighted blanket, and that pretty much had instantaneous results in terms of effectiveness. So right, look into that at some point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to sleep with this today. I got a beautiful duvet cover for it, so I'm excited about that. In fact, the entire look of this is not going to change much. It is a traditional hotel style look, which is just white with black piping on the sides. This has navy piping. It's pretty much just as what this looks like. Funny enough. But so in the morning, I'm gonna just see how I feel, and I'm gonna see how I sleep. I do tend to sleep hot, and pretty much what I'm used to are synthetic types of blankets, synthetic types of comforters, and those don't always really do well when it comes to someone that tends to sleep hot and someone that also hates static electricity. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in the morning with my feedback on how everything went. And as far as first impressions go, I like what I see so far. I like that this doesn't look like an overwhelming amount of goose down. I was looking for something that will keep me warm, but that I don't feel like I get lost in. Like, I don't want to get lost in like a massive cloud of a comforter. You know, something simple and light but warm and effective is really what I'm going for here. I live in New York. It definitely gets pretty cold. As far as this particular comforter, it is recommended that it can be used for any time of year for varying climates. So I think that's nice that it can be versatile in that way. So I have to say that my sleeping experience with this comforter has been unlike any other. As I mentioned before, I am mostly used to synthetic materials, and the typical process for me going to sleep in the winter would consist of me just going into bed and kind of shivering myself into warmth. I would very rarely feel warm the moment that I would jump into bed, and it's a shame. But I think that's the reality with just lower end products. And with this comforter, you know, that kind of reality doesn't even apply. The moment I got under the comforter, I felt incredibly warm, and it just seems to me like it retains all of your body heat. I have to say, I'm impressed, but I also can't lie that for the price point, you know, one should expect no less. It should be flawlessly constructed, which it is, and it should work flawlessly. There's no wait time in terms of how soon I'll feel warm once I crawl underneath this cover. You feel warm instantly. You feel a pleasant escape from the cold instantly. For those that may be reluctant to buy something at such a high price point, or for those that may be wondering, you know, is it even worth the money? You know, there's different elements at play here that I think should be considered. So first of all, you know, a product of this type and of this sort of quality is meant to be an investment. It is expensive because it is higher end, because it's made well, and it's made with responsibly sourced goose down. But this sort of a thing is meant to last you many, many years. It's not something that you buy once and you throw away and it's gone. This is not a barbecue cover. This is something that keeps you warm at night. It's something that helps contribute to restful sleep. Now, in terms of whether or not I would recommend this kind of comforter for all seasons, I would have to say absolutely not. I think this comforter is way too warm. So I think it's really best left to be used in the winter. And of course, there's nothing wrong with having a comforter just for this cold particular season. If you're watching this video when it's newly released and you're thinking to yourself, Adriana, why would I buy something like this when it's already January? My response to you is, well, it really depends on where you live. So I'm from New York and we experience the full all 4 seasons here. And I have to say that when it comes to the winter, the coldest times here would be February and March. And then slowly after March, it just kind of rolls into summer really quickly. Spring is like a weekend's worth of time, and then it's summer. But the coldest times is always in February, and in March, it's typically when we get snow. For the most part, the weather has been somewhat bearable, but we're getting into that time where it's really gonna get cold and unpleasant, and your face is gonna hurt when you go outside. And most people don't like that. So having something like this to ease you at night is for sure a luxury. Well, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this video to be insightful. If you'd like to learn more about the Lunesse Goose Down Comforter, check out my written review on the Sleep Sherpa website, which will be linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time for more sleep-related reviews. Have a good night, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!